SV Exam Mantras Current Affairs Express. 25 questions with correct answers. Let's begin. Question 1. Who is the current Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways of India? Answer B. Nitin Gadkari. Question 2. The Expert Committee on Energy Statistics is associated with reports concerning which of the following fields? Answer B. Energy sector. Question 3. Which constitutional body is responsible for conducting elections to the state legislative assemblies in India? Answer B. Election Commission of India. Question 4. Which union ministry is primarily associated with the Sahkar Se Samriddhi initiative? Answer B. Ministry of Cooperation. Question 5. In which year was the Ministry of Cooperation established in India? Answer B. 2021. Question 6. The Atal Innovation Mission, AIM, is a flagship initiative of which organization? Answer D. Niti Aayog. Question 7. Which government department is responsible for the legal metrology rules related to weighing instruments in India? Answer C. Department of Consumer Affairs. Question 8. What is the full form of EFTA? Answer B. European Free Trade Association. Question 9. Who is the current Union Minister of Steel of India? Answer B. Jyotiraditya Scindia. Question 10. Which branch of astronomy primarily uses radio waves to observe and study celestial objects? Answer B. Radio astronomy. Question 11. What was the primary objective behind the establishment of the Ministry of Cooperation in India? Answer B. To provide a distinct administrative, legal, and policy framework for strengthening the cooperative movement. Question 12. Which major national master plan in India focuses on integrated planning and implementation of multimodal connectivity infrastructure projects? Answer B. PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Question 13. Which Constitutional Amendment Act accorded constitutional status and protection to cooperative societies in India? Answer B. 97th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2011. Question 14. The Atal Innovation Mission, AIM, is a flagship national initiative focused on promoting a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship across India. Which of the following government bodies serves as the nodal agency for its design and implementation? Answer B. Niti Aayog. Question 15. What is the fundamental objective of legal metrology in India? Answer B. To ensure accuracy of measurements and protect consumer interests in commercial transactions. Question 16. Which of the following best describes the mandate of the Chief Labour Commissioner, Central Organization in India? Answer B. To enforce labour laws, promote industrial harmony, and ensure worker welfare in the central sphere. Question 17. Which of the following government bodies is primarily responsible for the compilation and dissemination of official energy statistics in India? Answer B. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Question 18. What is the primary objective of digital platforms designed to promote traditional craft heritage and empower artisans? Answer B. To provide artisans direct access to markets and ensure fair compensation for their products. Question 19. The Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, in the National Capital Region and adjoining areas is best described as which type of body? Answer B. A statutory body, constituted by an Act of Parliament. Question 20. Which one of the following countries is not a constituent member of the European Free Trade Association, EFTA? Answer C. Sweden. Question 21. The government initiative, Sahkar Se Samriddhi, is primarily associated with which union ministry in India? Answer B. Ministry of Cooperation. Question 22. Which government institution is responsible for establishing and overseeing the Atal Innovation Mission, AIM? Answer B. Niti Aayog. Question 23. Which national master plan aims to integrate various modes of transport, including roads, railways, and waterways, to improve logistics efficiency and economic growth? Answer C. PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Question 24. What is the primary raw material required for the production of steel? Answer B. Iron ore. Question 25. Which union ministry is primarily responsible for implementing the Sahkar Se Samriddhi initiative? Answer B. Ministry of Cooperation. That wraps up today's questions. Subscribe for daily current affairs updates.